All right, we're recording up top. We're recording on the GoPro. What's up, everybody? We got two angles here, and gonna have to let the TV distract you behind me. I am practicing, trying to see if the GoPro looks better or if my camera looks better. I don't know. We will throw them on the computer and do a little test run to see. The GoPro probably should be like here-ish. Let me see if I can do this without going crazy. The cool thing is I can kind of actually go like this and come back over and it follows me. Even though the GoPro has built-in stabilization, I'm going to flip around here and show you this. This is my iPhone on a Zhiyun Smooth 4, and it has the facial tracking set up. So hopefully if it follows me correctly, I'm going to try to redraw it around my face. It'll square back up and then put it back on me. I am hoping to do more shooting like this, little vlog tests, shoots, do some black magic product requests, but also talk about some gear. And so I am wondering if I should use one of these cameras, both of these cameras, probably not. That way I have a clear indication of which one works better for me, if I move around enough, if it's worth it following me, or if I should just stick to the one shot wonder and not worry about it moving. So all right, let's throw it on the computer, see what's up. We are running a dual cameras here, and oh, don't get away from me too much. Hold up, hold up. I am trying to see if my GoPro 7 is a better vlogging camera, or if the Zhiyun Crane with my iPhone front-facing camera on the iPhone 11 Pro is better. So now I have the Zhiyun Crane following me. I have the face track feature on. So hopefully it'll stay with me as I look away, as I do different things. It'll basically try to keep me centered in the frame. I probably won't use this when I'm moving around like this, but when I'm sitting at my desk and I'm moving around and leaning back and forth, it might be good to have. This would be me in the lighting of a working standing desk, and figuring out a decent background for that would be the question. Probably something like that. I don't know. Which probably means I need to find a way to prop these up. But yeah, I just wanted to see the camera quality difference. The first test I did, I only shot in 720p, and I wanted to make sure I had the full resolution. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you after my thoughts of the video.
So at the end of the day, you can use either one of these cameras. If I had to choose, I would probably still go with the iPhone 11 on a gimbal, even though it's a little bit more cumbersome and heavier to set up. I do like the picture a little bit better out of it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.